Hello guys, today we are having a surprise. As we are in spring, we wanted to do something special for you. And remember, stay at home and wash your hands. Look like Robbie Rabbit. He's in the castola. He's not with us. That's why we have Mr. Tomato here.
Good morning, guys. Today I'm in my kitchen. And you will think, why are you in the kitchen, Teacher Anne? Well, because I have a surprise for you. Look, come with me.
Guys, do you remember the story of the very hungry caterpillar? He ate too much candy. Cupcakes, cakes, ice creams, and he got ill with stomachache. But when he started taking good food, healthy food, he became a very, very beautiful butterfly. Okay, so today we are going to do fruit skewers.
Okay, so here I am today. Let's see. We have many things to do, so we are going to do it slowly, okay? The first thing we are going to do is the chef hat. Of course, if we are going to be chefs, we have to prepare the chef hat. So first of all, you will need a stapler, okay? Always with the help of your families. Some paper sheets. And don't forget the scissors, okay? Teacher Anne has these ones that are a little bit bigger, okay? Because these ones are not very big for me. They are really little, so I cannot cut. But always ask help for your families, okay? Ask help to your families. So, are you ready to do our chef hat? Yes? Let's go! Okay, so first of all, the first thing we will do is to staple these two seats, okay? So with the help of your families, let's see if you can see it like that. We are going to take the stapler and staple one and staple two, okay? We will do it first. So you have now the paper sheet like this. So what do we have to do now? Now you have to measure yourselves how is going to be the chef hat. Okay? And once you have it, for example, Teacher Anne is like this, you staple it again. Okay, so it's my size, so I staple this size, okay? Can you see it? Yes? And if I put it, this is my size, okay? So once you have this, you have to do the chef hat. And how are you going to do the chef hat? You have to cut some little lines here. So, let's see. One, always with the help of your families. And this is our chef hat. Now, to put it a little beautiful, we are going to color it, okay? I'm going to do the Icastola's butterfly, right? Let's do it. Okay, guys, so now we are going to color our hat with the Icastola's colors, okay? So we need pink, yellow, green, and blue. And we will start coloring it. Let's see. The first thing you have to do is to take the hat and fold it, okay? And then we start doing the butterfly. Ta-da. Now I like to take the black and follow all the lines to see the butterfly perfect. You can do it at home also if you want, okay? Okay, like this. More or less. So, this is my butterfly. Well, it's not very good, but at least I tried. And now, oh, wait a minute. And here I have the hat ready. So now, guys, the first thing we are going to do before starting with our fruit skewers, that I have them here ready, is to wash your hands. Okay, so guys, once we have our hands ready, I will show you what will we need, sorry, to do our fruit skewers, okay? Look, I'm taking all the things that we have used to do the hat away, okay? And I will show you. First of all, you will need a knife. Always with the help of your parents, okay? You cannot use this alone. First of all, a knife. Then you will need some stickers, okay? I have a lot of them here. Stickers, no, sorry, sticks. You will need some sticks. Oh, sometimes my English goes away. So I have many sticks here. They have to be a little bit longer than the usuals, okay? We usually have at home those ones that are a little bit little, so today we have these ones, okay? You need these ones that are a little bit longer. And, well, I have here a little dish to put the skewers down here. And the most important thing, you need a banana. I think that it's better if you will like this. A banana, an orange, and 3 strawberries, okay? So I'm going to put them in the bowl just for you to see them. Okay? The banana, the orange, and 3 strawberries, okay? So let's go. Okay guys, the first thing we will do is take the banana and peel it, okay? Okay. Once we have the banana, we cut it, okay? So we do little pieces of the banana, okay? I'm going to show them to you now. Well, I'm not very good at cooking. I tried it. So, we have the pieces of the banana and now we're going with the strawberries, okay? With the strawberry. Remember to wash the strawberries first, okay? So, as I have told you, with the help of your parents, you chop the strawberries, okay? We take out Okay guys, here I have my strawberries and my bananas, and the last thing we have to peel, it's the orange, okay? Okay, so now guys, I'm going to peel the orange, okay? So pieces of orange. It's a little bit more difficult, but we take them.
guys, so here can you see little pieces, not all of them, of the orange, and we have here the other one. So now we're going to start doing our fruit skewer, and we need the sticks, okay, to do that.
So we have the stick here, and the only thing we have to do is start adding the fruit pieces, okay? So I will start with a piece of banana, then a little piece of orange, and now strawberry. Can you see it? Now we have to complete it in the same way. Banana, it's the same process.
Look guys, we have our fruit skewer ready, and you can do all the fruit skewers that you want, okay? Enjoy your meal!